Rockies up 1-0. And that's down the left field line. That'll score another. Arenado cruising home. Dickerson hustling towards second. He's in with the Rockies' third double of the frame. 2-0 Colorado.
Has a little bit of a familiar ring from yesterday when they had double home run. They were able to put a couple on the board. And again, here's Corey Dickerson on a fastball in. He got beat earlier. They come right back trying to do it again, but it ran back over the plate very high up into the strike zone, and he shot it right past Ramirez. And then Arenado, all he needed to do was jog from third and make sure he touched home. It was a 2-0 Rockies.